awesome wife, HommyBiscuits.
Are you doing something for Brother Ronnie?
I think so, yes.
You are?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry, I'm going to be looking this way.
In the prepper library.
Right.
/ office bathroom.
Okay, so we're going to have a front and a back ledger.
Up there would just be just one header. So like a front ledger across here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let me look at our reference picture.
So basically, if you need some totally BA design skills or design consultation or architectural drawings or, you know, spatial planning or whatever. See, look at this. She's like a ninja. What are you doing?
I'm moving.
Bam!
Well, it's not right yet.
Well, you'll bam it up. See?
On the front, correct?
See?
See.
Okay. So tell these people what you do. Like, pause for just a minute.
Okay, so my job is designer.
Right. But not just for Vine and Branches, but in general,
no.
What are your capabilities?
Through Vine and Branches, I was able to, like, my skill set. So I am proficient in SketchUp. So I can take basically a picture,
right,
like so, and then draw it so that it is a 3D model of what somebody's wanting.
Right.
And you can use it for building. You can use it for concept.
And this is going to be used to get to apply for a permit for a construction job in Arkansas.
Yeah, we'll take it from this and do some renderings of it.
Yahtzee!
And do our measurements and all that stuff so that he can get his permit approved.
Right, but you also do like kitchen design.
I do kitchen design.
Custom cabinetry. Interior design. Architectural drawings.
Right.
This 3D rendering and modeling. You're pretty skilled at this stuff.
Yeah.
So if somebody wanted you to do something like this for them,
right,
like especially, you know, designers or construction companies or say realtors that are trying to show people what they're buying but don't have a layout of their house.
Yeah. Let me see. This is so like we'll open up some of those. So I've done concepts for like, okay, this is a retarded one. But
oh yeah, this is
pencil table.
They're all pencils.
There's like 4,000 pencils stuck in that table. Not fun. So whether it's furniture, like I designed these end tables that I want T to build me.
Whatever. Next.
Tiny home.
Oh, I haven't even seen this yet.
This might take a minute to load.
If you're into tiny homes, email me. We got big news coming.
So this is our like beginning concept for tiny home.
Right.
Just playing it out, but like kind of you can see the way I've done this one is starting just as if we were building it.
Right.
So it helps that I have some construction knowledge.
Right.
That I know, how to make something come together. But I've got it blocked out as 2x4s, and then these are our sheets of drywall. So when it comes to actually building this, we
We'll
can
have
have
materials
a
count.
dedicated materials count
Cool.
as far as what we'll need. I don't know what else I've got.
Well, there's that door.
Yeah, so I did the Shema door. That one might take a minute.
Yeah. So that's a door. Yeah. And so over here you have Moshe about to bust the tablets over somebody's head. And, you have the law. And then you have Grace, the empty tomb. And those are carved panels on a door that I was going to make at the wood shop, but I'm now leaving the wood shop, so that's not going to happen, sadly.
Right.
But that's an awesome rendering.
Yeah.
That you did.
But, this is unnamed company.
Right.
See, now my SketchUp's all like, what are you doing to me?
Right.
You're loading all of these ginormous
Well,
files.
bring it back around. If somebody wanted
Right.
help with these things.
So yeah, this is what I do. And I make your, sketch on paper something that you can actually visualize.
Right.
And
right. And this is, oh yeah, look at this, y'all. So these are takeoffs from blueprints.
right. So that's something too. If you have blueprints, you can email me or have architect email me the
Right.
DXF files, and I can import that and then draw on
Build on top of it. Yeah.
But use that as a guideline. So yeah, this is a corporate office.
Yep. Very
we
cool.
are
working on
currently.
Yep. Very cool. And you imported all the walls and built then all the furniture that's in there.
Right. Yeah. All I had were the sticks.
The lines. Yeah.
And so I basically go on top of that and draw in every line.
Right.
And door and window and yeah.
And then what people probably don't understand is that from here you generate all the downstream effects from there that come to the shop, and then right. You literally tell us to the decimal point how to build these things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my job.
That's your job. Cool. So ntxmag@gmail.com if you have a need for something like this, because my wife is totally BA. She's good at this stuff. Say shalom.
Shalom.
Peace.